FR is the largest and one of the most important sections of the CPA exam. FAR is the largest and one of the most important sections of the CPA exam. What will you learn in FAR? We will cover 4 key areas: financial statements, assets and liabilities, transactions, and government and nonprofit accounting. Financial statements tell the story of a company's performance. The balance sheet shows assets, liabilities, and equity. Cash flow statement explains where cash comes from and where it goes. The income statement shows revenues and expenses. Liabilities are obligations that must be paid. For example, accounts payable, loans, bonds. Assets are resources owned by a company. You must understand concepts instead of memorizing rules. Equity represents the owner's interest in the business. FAR also covers important transactions like revenue recognition and leases. Journal entries are the foundation of accounting. Practice is the key to passing FAR. Nonprofit accounting has unique reporting requirements. Let's begin our CPA FAR journey together. In this course, we will learn every topic step by step. Welcome to CPA FAR Class 1. Today we will learn the most important accounting concept, the accounting equation. Every business transaction affects the accounting equation. Assets are resources owned by a company that provide future economic benefits. Assets are resources owned by a company that provide future economic benefits. Assets are resources owned by a company that provide future economic benefits. Assets are resources owned by a company that provide future economic benefits. Cash in the bank, products for sale, and office equipment are all assets. Liabilities are obligations that the company must pay in the future. If a company borrows money from a bank, it creates a liability. Equity is the owner's remaining interest in the company after liabilities are deducted. Suppose the owner invests $10,000 cash into the business. After the investment, assets increase by $10,000 and equity increases by $10,000. The equation remains balanced. After the investment, assets increase by $10,000 and equity increases by $10,000. The equation remains balanced. Now the company borrows $5,000 from a bank. The company purchases equipment for $3,000 using cash. Cash decreases and equipment increases. Total assets remain unchanged. Some transactions change only the composition of assets, but not the total amount. The golden rule of accounting is simple. The accounting equation must always remain in balance. Always in balance. Alright, a quick quiz. Assets equal 20,000, liabilities equal 8,000. What is equity? You have 30 seconds. Go. And so, the answer is clear. Equity equals $12,000. Master the accounting equation, and the rest of FAR becomes much easier. In the next class, we will learn financial statements.
The balance sheet equation is assets equals liabilities plus capital. Let me write that down. Assets are what the company owns, like cash and equipment. Liabilities are what it owes, and capital is the owner's share. Let's look at a practical example for ABC traders. We'll start with the assets. Cash is 50,000.
Okay.
Inventory is 30,000 and furniture is 20,000. On the right, bank loan 40,000 and capital is 60,000. FAR is the largest and one of the most important sections of the CPA exam. Let's look at the CPA exam roadmap. As you can see, FAR is the largest section. FAR is the largest and one of the most important sections of the CPA exam. Let's look at the roadmap to see why. It's the foundation of the entire exam. Focus on this.